Hi, I'm Suzi Dailey, and welcome to 280 Hinkle in Laguna Beach, California. At this home, you are just 2 blocks from the gorgeous Victoria Beach, a few steps from the Montage, and near unbelievable fine dining. From this home, there is a beautiful ipe wood deck where you can sit and look out over the ocean and watch the sun setting over Catalina. There is also a beautiful ocean view from the gorgeous European kitchen. We all love quintessential Laguna Beach charm, and boy, this is it. A separate studio lies underneath the main home. It has its own kitchen, bedroom area, and a bathroom with a shower. From this lovely home, you get to stroll to the beach at the end of the day, or frankly, during any part of the day. Thank you for joining us. I'm Suzi Dailey with Daily by the Sea.